Welcome back. So for this slides, we're going to focus on the network and security differences between the AWS and Azure. First of all, let's jump to the networking part. Now AWS, when we consider the network solution, we're going to consider the region, availability zone, subnets, public-private VPCs, internet gateway, net gateways, and also security PVC, management PVCs, VPCs, transit VPCs, NECO, security group, BGP, S2S, side-to-side VPN, direct connect, direct gateways, virtual gateways, transit gateways. And also we're going to look at the public-private transit VRF, the gateway interface endpoint, Route 53 as a DNS, AWS private link as a private link to the providers. For Azure, it's pretty much similar. We're going to have regions, availability zone, subnets. We don't have the public and private VNet because VNet support both private and public, but you need to have virtual route. VNet pairings, which is similar to the VPC pairings. Application gateways. Application gateway is special things for the Azure, which is equal to AWS web firewall plus the application load balancers. The Azure basins, DDoS protections, application security group and network security group, Azure DNS, front door CDN, Azure private link, load balancers, traffic management, which is for the DNS global server load balancing, virtual net, and VPN gateway, and virtual WAN. So we're going to have a look on the difference between the two different vendors. First of all, in Azure, because they don't have private and public VNet, as long as you add a virtual route, you can route the traffic. So there's no such thing as internet gateway and net gateways. Second, in Azure VPN gateway is equal to or similar to AWS transit gateways, which support the hub, take the role as a hub and connect to the different spoke VPCs and the VNet. Now let's look at on the segmentations. Now AWS have security group and NICO, but Azure have application security group and network security group. Application security group they support micro-segmentations. A network security group they support segmentations. So that's the difference. Also, there's some other parts that are different, such as the virtual in Azure, virtual WAN, which is SD-WAN. They are similar to the transit gateway plus the VPC inspection, in security VPC inspections, or the security attachment within the VPCs. So this is similar product and similar setup. Now this is the network part. Now next, let's move into the security. Azure have the. Let's have a look on the AWS first. In AWS, we have the guard duty, which is threat monitoring, inspectors, which is also the traffic inspectors, which is traffic inspections, KMS for the key management, Cloud HSM, which is for the hardware-based key management, certificate managers, which is for all the CA, secret manager, which is store all the secret keys, private, public keys, VPC logs, and packet snifferings. We also have the firewall managers. Now, on the AWS, you also have the security integration such as IAM, ADSSO, CloudWatch, Lambda, plus SNS, and also CloudTrails. Let's move on to Azure. On Azure, we have the application gateway. We have Azure AD. We have Azure AD domain services. We also have Azure DDoS protections. Key vaults, which is similar to KMS in the AWS. Dedicated HSM, which is similar to the cloud HSM. Front door, which is similar to the front door, which is similar to the Azure Information Protections, the Defenders, Sentinel, which is a security incident event management. We also have Firewall Manager and VPN gateways.